Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering targeted tools and testing. Do this now so you avoid damage. Use a blunt scraper to remove flakes and a soft brush to loosen the remaining crust. Make sure to work from the fabric edge toward the center to prevent spreading. Next, blot any wet paint with paper towels. Press. Do not rub. Once you've reduced bulk, move directly to a solvent test patch on a seam so you know which remover is safe for the jute fibers. You'll now attack the stain with the appropriate solvent. Choose based on paint type and always spot test first. Apply small amounts with a cotton swab, then blot onto a clean towel. Once you see transfer, continue outward from the stain. Use a soft brush in controlled strokes to work pigment from the weave. This helps free pigment without shredding fibers. Make sure to limit liquid exposure. Once pigment release slows, switch to dry blotting and allow the area to air between treatments. You finish by rinsing any solvent residue with a little warm water and mild detergent. Apply sparingly and blot thoroughly so fibers don't stay saturated. Once the detergent is gone, press with towels to remove moisture, then lay the bag flat to air dry away from direct sun or heat. Make sure to reshape edges while damp to keep the bag square. If a ghost stain remains, repeat the solvent and blot cycle or try a diluted enzyme cleaner on a test patch. If nothing works, consider
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.